gosh, long time no see. Yeah, we miss you so much. Oh gosh. What if we go somewhere so we can spend together? Yeah, I know some place in Cadiz City. The famous hotel and it's very affordable. Oh, that's great. What if we go there? Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Good morning, Ikabuhay. Welcome to Laura Hotel. Do you have any reservation?
We don't have reservation yet, but we're walk-in guests and we're looking for rooms for good for 3 people.
Of course, ma'am. May I confirm if you'll be staying for the night only or for multiple nights?
Stay for 2 nights.
Thank you, ma'am. We have 2 standard rooms available for 2 nights. Would that be alright?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. May I kindly request 1 valid ID and a deposit for payment guarantee or proceed with the check-in?
Here is my ID. Please excuse the photo once I'm ready.
Thank you, ma'am. While I prepare your key cards, let me inform you about a few details of our hotel. Our breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the ground floor. Our Wi-Fi is also complimentary and just connected with Laura View guests, and the password is indicated in the room. We also offer room service, a swimming pool, and a concierge desk for our assistants. Here are your room key cards for room 510, located at the 10th floor. The elevator is on your left side and just past the lobby lounge. Would you like us to arrange bell service for your luggage? Our concierge is also available if you need help on planning tour. No thanks. Thank you for choosing Laura Hotel. Enjoy your stay.